I went to beauty school at 17 and opened a skincare studio at 22. I grew it with YouTube when most people still thought it was weird to make videos online. I created a channel for young moms that grew internationally, gave a TEDx talk, was named a Vegas Inc. Woman to Watch, and was featured in a documentary for high schoolers about public speaking. When the first live streaming app came out, I jumped in with both feet. By teaching video and online marketing, I was able to grow a large audience and clientele. I ran for school board trustee in 2018, winning against a slate of well-funded political opponents using video, social media, and micro-targeted ads. And then I did it again in 2024, winning my current seat on the Nevada State Board of Education. I launched the podcast Unraveling Education to expose the corruption I witnessed. It's helped lawmakers in many states to form policy that prevents profiteers from gaining control and puts students, educators, and community first. What I've learned over the last 2 decades throughout my online marketing journey is that visibility isn't about being everywhere all the time. It's about being intentional. It's about understanding the psychology, branding, platforms, and tools that reach the right people and create real influence. If you're ready to get clear on your message, build a brand, or create a marketing plan that works, you can book a strategy session with me. Follow along. I want to help make your biggest, boldest goals happen. Because when people who are driven by purpose step into the spotlight, they don't just get seen, they make a lasting impact. I'm Danielle Ford, and I help passionate people like you gain visibility that makes a difference.